visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is also meant to find you. Let's check kung ano po ang mga nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Two of Strength. So parang meron tayong minamadali pero parang hindi siya nangyayari. And the Ten of Charisma. Siguro ito yung pag-unlad or pag-effort ni person, no? Or pwedeng ito rin, or both, no? Or pag-invest ni person ng kanyang time, energy sa atin. Kasi parang tayo, baka kasi nafe-feel natin, paubos na ako, no? Nandun na ako sa parang papagod na ako. Baka mamaya tuluyan ako mapagod at hindi ako makapag-provide ng time, energy, effort. Parang nararamdaman mo na yung exhaustion. Tapos biglang mawala, no? Or baka hindi maging engaging si person. Parang feeling ko ikaw ang nagdadala ng relationship. So parang sinasabi dito, ayokong dumating dun sa part. Sayang naman yung mga in-effort ko kasi hindi rin biro, no? Mag-alaga ng mabuti sana kung bata. Hindi biro mag-alaga ng isang adult, 'di ba? For some reason, I am seeing that you might also be the one who's very generous dito sa connection with the Ten of Charisma. This might be time, energy, effort, or even financial. Pwede rin workforce, no? Baka ikaw yung gumigising sa kanya kahit na siguro magkaiba kayo ng shift or hindi yun yung oras ng gising mo, you need to wake up para gisingin lang si person, no? Mga simple efforts na dapat hindi mo na ginagawa pero ikaw ang gumagawa for your person. Ngayon, the Hangman, you're probably thinking, what if kaya kung mawala talaga yung effort ko or mawalan ako ng gana or biglang dumating yung time, I am exhausted. Ano na kaya mangyayari sa amin, no? With the Hangman. Ano na kaya si person ba mag-e-effort para sa akin? No, that's actually one of your question. The Ace of Charisma. I feel like pwede ito sa LGBTQIA+, no? Reading. It kind of make me feel that you are a bit, sabihin natin, well off, no? Dito kay person. Hindi naman din kasi natin maitatago or hindi natin maitakaila. Kasi it could be, kasi with the Ace of Charisma, you might have, it's very obvious, you might have the jewelry, you might have the car, or you might be living in, hindi man super exclusive subdivision, or it can be, maayos naman yung tirahan mo, and nakikita ni person. So, a bit of a comfort was offered by you, di ba? A bit of yung help, no? Kasi nga, mahal naman natin. Pero ang iniisip mo nga kasi, again, let's go back to the Hangman. Paano kung nandito na ako sa papagod na ako? Or you might be feeling that your finances might gonna have some trouble. So, paano na? Diba? Paano na? Si person ba, ready din ba tumulong? Or baka mamaya bigla kang iwan. So that's actually one of your parang iniisip, no? with the death card. So, I feel like medyo, I don't know if this is becoming uh, routine or nagkaroon na kayo ng separation before. Um, Feeling ko nga nag-reconcile na lang. Or hindi naman yung nag-separate talaga, pwede rin naudlot, no, itong inyong connection. Kaya etong pag-reconnect dito sa taong ito, ah, parang ayoko na mangyari uli. So, paano yan? I'm feeling a bit anxious because of this, um, I don't know kung this is just I'm being freaked out, or I'm just thinking about um, negatively. Pero kasi with what you are feeling, or probably this is just a thought, no? Na what if, kung bigla ako napagod, what if bigla ako nagkasakit, what if mawala tong mga ganito, will my person still gonna stay? Was the Nine of Wisdom. Nakikita natin dito na actually, kung meron man, no? Kung meron ka mang mga kinakatakutan, no? Hindi yun mangyayari with the Nine of Wisdom. Yun nga lang, kasi this is somewhat a wish fulfillment. Ano ba kasi yung iniisip mo? You might be dragging an energy that might gonna show up in the future, whether you like it or not, because law of attraction, right? What you're thinking is what you might gonna get in the future. So, if I were you, stop thinking about that. No, instead of, ay naku, baka mawalan ako ng ano, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. You might want to think, siguro na, dadami pa yung kinikita ko, magkakaroon pa ako ng maraming project, blah, blah, yada, yada. And, you know, hindi masama mag-isip, pero you have to shift the energy right off the bat, no? With the Chariot, kung meron ka mang mga challenges as of the moment, the Chariot showed up. So which means you're going to surpass the challenges, no? With the Knight of Strength and the Emperor. So nakikita natin dito, actually nakakita pa nga ako ng elevations of pwedeng social status, pwedeng ang tawag dito, promotions, no, sa trabaho or another branch if you have a business. So with the Three of Charisma, I think you just have to parang pag-isipan, no? The mere fact that you're thinking about that, which means that you're giving a little extra, no? Siguro mas mabuting minsan meron binibigay, minsan wala, minsan, alam mo yun, binabalanse din natin para hindi nawiwili si person. Kasi with the Three of Charisma, sinasabi dito, you have to think, no, thoroughly para mas maayos yung flow or para mas maayos din, magkaroon ka ng peace of mind, no? So, I think it's time for you to save money, no, na hindi niya siguro din alam, or you have to do just remove that negative thoughts. Pero kasi ang nakikita natin dito with the Three of Charisma, the Devil card, and the Knight of Intelligence. Yes, there might be some comfort in here. Pero it doesn't mean hindi ka naman mahal. Kasi nandito pa rin naman, lumabas pa rin naman dito ang Nine of Wisdom, no? Yun nga lang, fluctuating yung kanilang emotions with you. Pero, kasi nga, mas nangingibabaw yung comfort na ibibigay mo. So, probably, hindi naman sinabing tanggalin mo yung comfort, but you have to probably, again, weigh things, no? Para mag-surface yung emotion. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero bago po yan, kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron po kayong mga tanong sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Scorpio, a Virgo. I'm seeing Leo. Scorpio is very dominant, actually, no? Aligned nga eh. Yeah, Pisces, Aries, I'm seeing Cancer in here, Capricorn, Sagittarius, I'm seeing Virgo, and Leo. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want